Stop scrolling. If this video found you today, it's not by chance. The universe knows exactly what you need to hear right now, and in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to tell you something that's going to change everything. Look at your hands for a moment. These hands have wiped away tears, carried burdens, and held on when everything felt like it was falling apart. 2024 tested you in ways you never imagined, but here's what most people don't realize. Every rejection, every setback, every moment you wanted to give up, they weren't roadblocks, they were building blocks. You see, just like a seed growing beneath the soil, your struggles have been creating something beautiful underground, something you can't see yet. I remember sitting in my car last year, questioning everything, but that breakdown, it was actually my breakthrough. And right now you're exactly where I was, on the edge of your own breakthrough. The universe isn't random, it's strategic. Those nights you spent crying, they were making you stronger. Those people who walked away, they were making room. That pain you're carrying, it's transforming into purpose. Here's the truth. Most people never realize your darkest moments are like the moments just before sunrise, when everything seems blackest. Light is about to break through. And your sunrise, it's closer than you think. Take a deep breath. Feel that? That's not anxiety. That's anticipation. Your next chapter is loading, and it's going to be beyond anything you've imagined. If you're feeling this message in your soul right now, save this video. You'll want to watch it again when your breakthrough happens, and trust me, it's coming. Remember, you didn't find this video by accident. The universe brought you here because you're ready. Your time is now.